Why did I crush the toy's dentures? Because I wanted to tell them, you can't chew anymore. I crushed a plate under the car. Now no food can say, I wasn't served. I crushed a balloon under the car. Now no one can say, come on, let's float. I crushed a coffee cup under the car. Now my coffee is not just cold, it's completely crushed. I crushed a Rubik's Cube under the car. Now no color can confuse me anymore. I crushed plastic cups under the car. Now no one can say, it's broken, at parties. I crushed pasta under the car. Now I can't do anything with it except make it into pasta. I crushed plastic cups under the car. Now no one can say, refill it. I crushed a yogurt container under the car. Now yogurt can never say, I'm fresh. I crushed a plate under the car. Now no one can say, put food on it.